Hi friends, today we will see physical properties of carboxylic acid. This is the portion we are continuing from unit number 12, which we left earlier. Physical properties of carboxylic acid. In that physical property, simple, you have to read and understand and learn. That is boiling point. Carboxylic acid is having more boiling point than alcohol, ketone, aldehyde, ether and comparable molecular mass of hydrocarbon. See, they are telling ketones, aldehydes, alcohols. आगे हम लोग ने पढ़ा है, लेकिन सबसे हाईएस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ड्यू टू इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. ओके, it is having more boiling point because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now, what is about solubility? Lower molecular mass carboxylic acid are soluble in water. Simple statement they are giving. Whoever's lower molecular mass will be there, they are easily soluble in water. Its solubility decreases when molecular mass of acid increases, they are vice versa. Chemical reaction involved during bond cleavage of OH of carboxylic acid. When the reaction occurs, C, O, O and H, right? When there is a cleavage between this OH, at that time the carboxylic acid, at that time the chemical reaction takes place. When there is a bond cleavage between OH of a carboxylic acid, it gives H plus ions to a solution confirming acidic nature. We will see in this reaction about this statement. Acidic nature of a carboxylic acid is confirmed by following reaction. The first reaction with metal. When carboxylic acid, that means this, is treated with metal, gives corresponding salt and H2 gas is evolved. See, this is carboxylic acid, COOH plus 2 moles of, this is metal. What we learned, that the cleavage between OH bond, that means the cleavage will be occurred in between this O and H, bond will be cleavaged, metal will be attached and this hydrogen will be removed in evolved as an H2 gas. The same manner, metal की जगह पे metal ले लिया, example sodium. This hydrogen will be evolved as an H2 gas. Sodium will be attached. Right? This is a reaction with metal of an carboxylic acid. Now we will take base. This is carboxylic acid. It will form salt. When we will call it as salt? When there is a negative and positive charge. This is positive and this is negative. We form a ammonium propionic salt. ठीक है, acid plus NaH4OH. What will happen? There is a bond cleavage between OH. H will be forming H2O in this reaction. H2O it will form, and here NH4. That means this is base. Another is same OH cleavage. Means that is this is same. Its name is sodium propanate. Proponate. Reaction with Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. Okay, sodium bicarbonate. What is happening in this? This is acid, Na2CO3. Same. Salt, water plus CO2 gas is evolved. Salt, water and CO2 gas is evolved when we will treat it with Na2CO3 or NaHCO3. And right, we will keep up to here. Next time we will see the strength related to Ka and pKa. Okay, thank you.